welcome back to our channel. My name is Belinda and my husband Brian and I are having a baby girl. I'm currently 27 weeks pregnant and I'm going to do a quick little video on all of the registry welcome bags boxes that we got. I have today Amazon, Target, and Babylist. I'm just going to be going through each one, what we got, and how you can get them as well. And I hope you enjoy this video, so let's get started. Okay, so I think I want to go through Amazon first. In order to qualify for this, you do have to have a Prime account. You have to add more than 10 items to your baby registry, and you have to make a purchase of $10 or more. And there's no shipping cost. So it's pretty easy to get, and I believe they say the value is about at least $35. So first off, probably my favorite item, we got a swaddle. It's a really pretty green color. I haven't actually opened it all the way. Cotton is the material, and it's very gender neutral. Really nice. We have a Philips Avent anti-colic bottle. So we got one of these. Then we have a Pampers sample, size 1 diaper. It also comes with this Welcome to Amazon Baby Registry. It just gives you some more information about returns, your completion discount, just some other general information. It's kind of a large packet. Oh, and it also comes with some contrast cards, I guess. One contrast card. Looks like we have 2 Amazon Essential onesies. I'm not sure what size. Oh, this one's 3 to 6. They're both 3 to 6 months. Oh, how cute. So 2 of these. A Fruit Crunchables Apple Crisps. I'll probably eat this myself. I love Apple Crisps. We got 2 of these. I actually really like these. I got one from another sample from somewhere else. I'm not sure. And I actually did use it and I really liked it. So looks like I got 2 of that. And other than that, it just came with a HelloFresh coupon and some information about baby Brezza. So that's everything that was in the Amazon Baby Registry welcome bag. Like I said, it's pretty easy to get, and I would say the best item in here is probably the swaddle. Next, I'm going to be going over the Target registry bag. Very similar to Amazon, you have to add at least 10 items to your baby registry, make a purchase of at least $10, and there is a shipping cost. It's $5.95, I believe. However, I didn't pay for shipping because I ordered some other stuff in order to get free shipping. It was a little hard to get. I had to keep checking the website to see when it became in stock because it was so frequently out of stock. It took me a couple weeks, but nonetheless, it came. I'm not sure what the estimated value is for this one, but I do feel like we got quite a bit in here. So first, we have the Up and Up brand of diapers, 2 size 1 diapers, another Philips Avent bottle. I already opened this one. I believe it's the same size as the Amazon one. We got a pack of Millie Moon sensitive wipes, Pampers Pure size 1 diaper, 2 newborn size diapers of Millie Moon, a sample size of water wipes, size 1 2 diapers of Parasol. I don't think I've heard this brand before. A decent size, it has 20 wipes of the Up and Up brand baby wipes. a Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottle, pacifier from the brand Bibs, Baby Dove hypoallergenic wash, an Aveeno Baby Healthy Start newborn balm, like a moisturizer. This is from Lancino. So it comes with, we got milk storage bag, and then 2 disposable breast pads. Target's Up and Up brand of lavender shampoo and baby wash and baby lotion. A sample of gripe water from Mommy's Bliss. Sample of Dapple Baby breast pump wipe. Another one from Dapple Baby breast milk storage bag. Sample size of boogie wipes. Also has a coupon on the back. Triple paste. Triple paste zinc oxide. So that's everything that came into the Target bag. It was pretty packed. I feel like it had more than the Amazon bag. It definitely had more wipe and diaper samples than the Amazon bag. Overall, I like this one. All right, last but not least, we're gonna go over the Babylist box. In order to get this, you have to make a registry on Babylist. You have to add at least 40% of their checklist. And in that 40%, you have to add at least 3 items from their actual Babylist store. And then you have to make a purchase of, I believe it's $35. I'll put all this information in the description box below as well. And there is a shipping cost. I believe it was around $10. But again, pretty nice items in here as well. So we'll go through this one. So to start, we have a sample of 2 diapers from Rascals. 3 diapers from Huggies. And they're so cute. They're Winnie the Pooh. Sample of Honest wipes. Sample of water wipes. Decent size 24 wipes of Huggies Skin Essential wipes. Another Dr. Brown's bottle. I believe it is also the 4 ounce. So same one that was in the Target bag. Another Philips Avent bottle. So each one had a Philips Avent bottle. This one is different. This is a natural bottle. The other 2 were the anti-colic. So it definitely looks a little bit different. A MAM bottle. Extra slow newborn anti-colic. Here's the MAM bottle. We got another Aveeno Baby moisturizer, sample size. Suavenex, I believe is the brand. Pacifier. Sample size of Jack and Jill toothpaste. Noodle and Boo Ultra Safe Laundry Detergent sample. Sample of Tubby Todd All Over Ointment. This must be for Mom. Loom Whole Body Deodorant. Oh, it's cute. Something else from Lancino. Yeah, same as the Target bag. So it comes with breast milk storage bag and 2 disposable breast pads. And then probably my favorite item from all 3 of the registry bags or boxes. Look at this adorable kite baby onesie. It has hedgehogs on it and it is so soft. It's 0 to 3 months. How adorable. So really love this item. Thought it was very worth it. Other than that, it just came with some like coupons. This is for a free swaddle from Little Unicorn. You do have to put in the code that's here. Free can of formula from Bobby. I actually did this and picked it and got it in the mail already. It's right here. So it was completely free. There was no shipping cost. So that came in the box. Didn't come in the box, but the card came in the box. There's a discount for Shutterfly, Tiny Beans, I think it's an app, 20% off Kite Baby, and breast milk storage guidelines magnet for your fridge. So that's everything that came in the Babylist box. Like I said, my favorite item was probably the little onesie. It's so cute and so soft. But yeah, that was everything that we got. There are more registry boxes that you can do. I've heard the Walmart one is pretty decent. I just didn't have time to do a registry on Walmart, to be honest. There's one from Kohl's as well. But overall, I think they're pretty worth it, especially if you're already going to be buying something off of the registry. You might as well get the registry welcome box or welcome bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll have all the information in the description box below. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.